What's going on, guys? Fun with Knives back again, and it's new knife day, and this time it's a new brand. At least to me, this is a QSP, Better Knife, Better Life. This model is the Parrot D2 blade, Jade G10 handle. I was just making a cart on Blade HQ and was just kind of shopping around and came across this brand, and I did very little research, and all of what I found is that they are kind of the leaders in extreme value when it comes to budget knives. So penguin sticker, wolf sticker. So I don't really know much about QSP. Oh, cool. Here's your specs. We don't have to go really through that. I guess we will. That's kind of standard. Okay, let's get this knife out of here. I also wanted this knife because Jade G10 has been all the rage over the last couple of years, and I never really got into it. And now that I see it in hand, I absolutely love it. Okay, let's get this thing open. Quick spec rundown: 3 1/4 inch blade, 4-inch handle here, making that 7 1/4 inches overall. Nice medium size EDC knife. Your blade thickness is again a fairly standard 0.12 inches, and your handle thickness is right at 1/2 inch. So obviously here, thumbstud action, it's decently smooth. I'm sure that's writing on. Oh wow, very surprising that's not a Teflon or a nylon washer. It looks like some sort of phosphor bronzish bushings. It's very smooth. Flies out there. Very utilitarian looking blade here. It has kind of a spear point profile, but it's going to act like a drop point in most cutting. Fully flat ground, very reflective. You got your QSP logo there, and then D2 on the back. Here's your scales. A little bit of traction, not much, but it seems decently chamfered off. I didn't feel any hot spots in the hand. Very neutral style grip, small, finger guard up here, finger choil or whatever you want to call it. Very thin liner lock, full stainless steel liners. There's no skeletonizing in there. The lockup is surprisingly solid. Here's your pocket clip, 2-way positionable. Ooh, man, that's pretty sharp. Just caught my nail a little bit there. 2-way positionable, tip up. Not a huge fan of the clip aesthetically, but I'm sure it functions fine. Lanyard hole in the back, open construction. There's some of my nail left on the blade. Geez, thing's pretty sharp. And the best part about this was a whopping $26.50. So somehow QSP is getting D2, G10, and what seems to be pretty decent fit and finish for under 30 bucks, which is making, I'm sure, a lot of other knife manufacturers a little nervous. Jimping up top's not bad. This just seems like a very utilitarian style knife, medium size in just about every regard. Easy to use. The only thing I'm noticing so far is that the liner lock is a little difficult to engage. Everything's a little slick. Your liners are kind of polished or satin finish, as well as the blade, so it's a little hard to get your thumb in there, but other than that, I'm excited. QSP may be my go-to budget knife brand if this turns out to be a good tool. So thanks for watching, guys, and remember, have fun with your knives.